everyone? Today we have to talk about Pudgy Penguins. As you can see, is literally up 11% in the last 24 hours. But a lot of people don't remember what just now happened. We're still down 48% in the last 30 days. So we're going to talk about what just happened with this relief rally and what I think is coming up soon here. Anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice, but let's get straight into it, guys. So as you can see here, we have 200 million in trading volume. Fairly decent, 721 million inside of market cap here. And then we also have what looks to be a recovery, right, out of a falling wedge, right? Because falling wedges are bullish patterns. But a lot of times things aren't always what they seem. Now, the other patterns that we've tracked here were pretty accurate. We had the bearish expanding triangle, which was the overall pattern. And you can see here how we broke out of that. I'll take this out now. And then you can see this channel right here, this descending channel. And now what you're seeing is the falling wedge. So are we going to actually break out to the upside? So if you were to look at the daily chart like we're looking at now, you would notice that it's very, very much overbought. Very much overbought here, or oversold. I mean, very much oversold. So it kind of almost looks like the long-term trend here is going to do something like this when the short-term trend increases and then comes back down, kind of like how I did here. The reason why this matters on the percent R trend exhaustion is because I always track this, and usually whenever the short-term trend breaks far past the long-term trend, we have nasty things happening to the price, right? The price is going to drop. For instance, if we go a little bit deeper into this to a shorter time frame on the charts here, we're going to see on the 4-hour chart, we can notice exactly what I'm saying in real time. You can see that the white line, which is the short-term trend, far outpaces the long-term trend, which is the blue line. This is the case on a lot of different cryptos. I just made a video on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's doing something similar on the shorter charts. I just now did a video for Zcash. Zcash is doing something similar on the shorter charts. So on the smaller charts, we are seeing that the long-term trend here is kind of going sideways here as the short-term trend goes up, which is obvious, right? Because, you know, you're like, well, it's a long-term trend, right? You're looking for a long-term trend on a short-term time frame. So the thing that's mainly important here is the fact that as this short-term trend comes down, the price comes down significantly. It might not seem like a significant thing, but when it just now did it right here, it just now went from 0.0128 Pudgy Penguins all the way down to 0.009971. So that could be a big drop. And this one is even bigger than the previous one. So that means that the drop is going to be more significant as well. So this is why I'm planning for 0.008. I still don't think we've bottomed out here. I still think we can get to 0.008 and possibly even 0.005. Guys, I'm looking towards 0.005 more so than 0.008. 0.008, that's just like a stopping point on the way down because of the support right here. Significant, right? But I'm looking towards here, towards the bottom of the previous run, which was like the beginning of the project, right? But anyways, that's pretty much how I'm seeing it here. I do think that we're about to have a pullback here with Pudgy Penguins. It's only a matter of time. Now, can it break out, right? Like, can the long-term trend just start going crazy? Yes, it's possible. It's possible that it does it. But the thing is, if this short-term trend comes down while it's doing that, then the price is going to come down simultaneously, right? Both the short and the long-term trend. So we have to be extremely cautious right here, extremely careful. Honestly, I think it's about to pull back right now. There's a possibility that it can get to 0.012, but if it gets rejected there, definitely probably going to end up seeing something larger of some type of larger drop. So it could look something like this. We pull back here, we make a higher high here, we come here and try to make a higher low and try to break out and then crash, or we actually do make it out. And if we do make it out, 0.014 is going to be that first level that you want to watch if we do break out to the upside on Pudgy Penguins. I don't want to stay too biased on the short, right? I don't want to stay too biased on the selling side and on the bearish side. So I'll give you guys some pointers for the upside. So 0.014, that's going to be that main level that you're looking after. If we go above 0.014, I might actually change my mind and be bullish. I mean, like if we go over this level right here and then start to continue upwards, then yeah, at that point I'll be bullish. But if we don't break this level right here, I can't be bullish. I can't be bullish. So we'll see. We'll see if we get rejected here, or we'll see if we get rejected here, or where we're at now, because that is support right here. See if we get rejected some more. So yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. As always, I'll be back with another video.